Good morning again. I wanted to take a few minutes to read a story I thought some of our students would really find a lot of fun, interesting, and even thought-provoking. The story is called Rain School. Now, as I tell the story, I want you to think, students, about where this could have happened. James Rumford wrote the story, and he used to be a Peace Corps worker in Chad. This is Rain School. In the country of Chad, it is the first day of school. The dry dirt road is filling up with children. Big brothers and big sisters are leading the way. Will they give us a notebook? Thomas asks. Will they give us a pencil? Will I learn to read like you? Stop asking so many questions and keep up, says the big brothers and big sisters. Thomas arrives at the schoolyard, but there are no classrooms. There are no desks. It doesn't matter. There is a teacher. We will build our school, she says. This is the first lesson. Thomas learns to make mud bricks and dry them in the sun. He learns to build mud balls and mud bricks. He gathers grass and saplings with the other children, and they make a roof. Inside it is cool. It smells of the earth. It smells of the fields, ready for planting. Thomas helps bring in little wooden stools. Everyone sits down. This is the moment they have been waiting for. The teacher brings in a blackboard. On it she writes a letter. A, says the teacher. A, says Thomas with the other children. The teacher writes the letter with big strokes in the air. The students do the same, over and over. Wonderful, says the teacher. She hands out notebooks and pencils. Page 1, says the teacher. Thomas opens his notebook to the first page and holds his pencil, ready and waiting. Now write the letter A. Beautiful, says the teacher as she looks at the student's work. Every day, Thomas learns something new. Every day, the teacher cheers him and the other children on. Excellent job, she says. Perfect, my learning friends. The 9 months of the school year fly by. The last day has come. The students' minds are fat with knowledge. Their notebooks are rumbled from learning. Thomas and the other children call out, "Thank you, teacher." She smiles and says, "Well done, my hard-working friends. See you next year." Thomas and the other children race home. The school is empty, and just in time, the big rains have started. The drops come down hard and fast. Strong winds tear at the grass roof. The rain finds its way inside. The school's mud walls are soaked and start to slump. The mud desks, too. Slowly, the school disappears until there's almost nothing left. It doesn't matter. The letters have been learned and the knowledge taken away by the children. Come September, school will start it over. Thomas will be a big brother then, leading the children on their first day to school. They will all stand in front of their smiling teachers, ready to build their school again. The end. So, if you enjoyed listening to this story, hopefully you can take a moment to either speak with your brothers or sisters or your parents and think about one question. What is the school? Is the school the buildings where you go to every day? Or is the school the people in those buildings who come together and learn? Have a great day.